that trying to go to sleep after a long night, and this fucking thing happens. A little fucking earthquake. Really? As if I don't have problems of my own. Now I gotta fucking worry about the San Andreas, or whatever that thing is called, where we're all gonna die in California, or at least half of us, which wouldn't really worry me because I am a sinner. But what does worry me is that little beautiful thing right there. So, oh well. Let's go back to sleep, guys.